Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing some nighttime cleaning. I'm also going to be sharing my nighttime cleaning routine, but before we get into that I just wanted to let you guys know that today's video is a collaboration with my friend Jamie. Her YouTube channel is called Jamie's Journey. This is a clip from her video that she did. She also filmed a nighttime cleaning video, and I know that you guys are going to love her channel. She makes lots of videos about cleaning, day in the life, cooking, pregnancy updates because she's pregnant with twins. I am so excited for her. She also has a sweet little girl, so definitely go and check out her channel. I will have her video and her channel linked down below. After you watch my video, if you need more cleaning motivation, then head over and watch her video as well. Okay, so now let's get right into the cleaning. The first thing that I do in my nighttime cleaning routine, after we're done eating supper, I will clean up the supper mess in the kitchen. I start by cleaning off the table, and then I wipe down Owen's high chair, and I'm going to be using the Caldria Rosewater Driftwood countertop spray. This stuff smells so amazing, and this is from Grove Collaborative, and I always have a link down below that you can get some free items with your first order from Grove, so definitely go and check that out. I'm going to be using that to wipe down the high chair, the countertops, and the table. And I had also wanted to say that if you're coming over from Jamie's channel, then welcome. I would love to have you subscribed. You can head to my main channel page to check out all of my videos, and I'll also have some of them linked down below in the description box. Once the table and the countertop are cleared off and all the dishes are washed and put into the dishwasher, then it's time to wipe down the countertops and the table, and I'm using that same Caldria countertop spray, spraying it all over the countertops and the table, and then I'm just taking a rag and wiping everything down. Before I put the boys to bed for the night, I had Kyle help me clean up some of the toys in Owen's bedroom. It was a disaster in there, and I also had to put a new sheet back on Owen's crib before I could put him to sleep. Once the boys were in bed for the night, I swept the kitchen floor and then I mopped it using Bona hardwood floor cleaner. That is my absolute favorite floor cleaner. I highly recommend it. And that is it for my nighttime cleaning routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to go and watch Jamie's nighttime cleaning video. I will have it linked down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!